I was on a hike with my fiance and I saw these flowers, which I thought were pretty cool, but she thought they were
scary, horrifying, and haunted looking.
But I thought I could make something pretty cool out of it. So we'll see what we can do. I'm going to make a little box to hang on the wall. It will be an open back miter joint box. And hopefully when the weather is better, we can find some flowers that will look a little less
scary, haunted, and horrifying
to put in there, which is why I'm cutting notches out of this middle piece made out of wenge to allow for flowers to be swapped out when we have access to them. Unlike the flower, which is quite pokey, spiky, picky, and pricky, as well as
scary, haunted, and horrifying,
I want everything else to be nice and sanded smooth, which is what you can see me doing here with 180 grit sandpaper. After it's sanded down, I'm going to spray it with some lacquer to give it a good gloss, and I think it should be ready to hold this beautiful flower, although my fiance still thinks that flower is
scary, haunted, and horrifying.
I think he's pretty cool.